Alright, we are live. This guy's very special day, very special moment. One of our hardworking, the most dedicated student I've ever seen. He has spent months with us. He has worked hard. He used to, let me tell you about his story. He used to start work 7 in the morning, work till 5:30, and 6 o'clock he used to be here. He used to finish 9:30 from the lab, go back to Liverpool. He lives in Liverpool, right? And after that he used to continue the same thing throughout the week. Very hectic, something we all give excuses, right? I see a lot of students telling me that now I've got work, I start 7, I finish 5:30, I'm too tired. This guy used to be here every day. He has taken a few attempts before as well. He missed a couple of times. Last exam, everything was below 79. Everything, each and everything was below 79. And this time, speaking is 90, listening is 90, writing is 90, reading is 83. Congratulations, Aman.
Thank you very much.
Very well done. I have seen you working hard, and you are a true example of what dedication can get you in your life, right? I would really like you to share with all the students out there. Most of them, they have given up. They're not really sure. Whenever they miss by a few points, they give up. What kept you going on? I've seen you every day in the lab. Even more than me, you used to be in the lab. What kept you going on?
Yeah, firstly, I would like to thank whole LA Academy, and my motive is to be focused on the exam. Because without dedication to any work, we can't achieve our destination.
Correct.
So in same way, I was trying every day that I need to learn and I need to work on my weaknesses, and always try to be hopeful for the best result. And moreover, little bit sometimes there is a situation when we get a little bit negative or some, but in that never, and I always used to speak to you as well.
Yes.
And a number of time, but my motivation is the destination. If we are hardworking and we are very much focused, so definitely every one of us can achieve.
That's 100% right. Focus, right? Focus is very important. One thing which I believe got him the score is that he used to follow whatever we used to tell him. Normally what happens with students is that if they do not get the score once or twice, they don't feel like doing something, they are demotivated, they have got a lot of excuses. Even after his exam, he used to be here and see what his result was. And a funny thing is, he took the exam day before yesterday. He got the result last midnight, right? Last night. And he was here practicing yesterday. I asked him, why are you even practicing? You haven't got the result. He told, if I get the result, that's good. If not, at least I'm not wasting my time.
Correct.
And that is something I really want to learn from you. Very well done. Let's talk about tasks in PTE. Speaking, what are your tips for speaking?
Yeah, first and foremost is we need to be focused and calm throughout the speaking session, because speaking is mentally like little bit tiring.
Yes.
Because we little bit got stressed up. But try to focus and follow the templates. Whatever our tutors of LA Academy, they are telling us to follow, try to religiously follow that. And 110% these work. These all templates of speaking definitely work. Everything for read aloud, moving towards the repeat sentences, even for describe image and for retell lecture. For all these important tasks, all of our templates of whatever you provided me,
correct,
and I was practicing through, so it helped me a lot.
Repeat sentence is something I would like to talk about, right? A lot of students do struggle with repeat sentence, and you were telling me yesterday that you didn't go that well in repeat sentences.
Correct.
Despite that, you have gotten perfect 90 in your listening, perfect 90 in speaking as well. What should students out there do if they are facing difficulty in repeat sentence, or if in the exam they get long repeat sentences? What is your advice?
Yep, my advice is try to grab as much as content you get from the speaker that is speaking. And second is maintain the fluency and pronunciation. These plays a very major role. And for even when we talk about long sentences, in long repeat sentences, try to grab as much as content and speak in a flow. So in that, sometime when we listen to the long repeat sentences, we got a little bit stressed out. Okay, what I will speak, what? So try to grab as much as content and remain calm and speak in a fluency.
That's right.
So this will be...
So just repeat as much as possible, but do not stop.
Do not stop.
That's 100% correct. They're not expecting you to repeat 100%. What they're expecting you to do is repeat as much as you can in a clear and fluent manner. That's what he did. That's what I do when I go for the exam. He has got a perfect 90 speaking, perfect 90 listening. One funny thing, last 2 attempts, in his essay he got 0. I remember we saw your enabling skills was 0, and I told him to change the template. Most of the students, they are reluctant to change the template.
Correct.
Like you were as well, I remember. You said it's very difficult to memorize a new template and all. But the template changed and your score changed as well. Right?
Score, yeah.
What do you think is important for writing and for reading as well?
For writing, yes, that new template that you told me to revise and learn, yes, more than 100% it worked for me, and for everyone it works. And moving towards the reading, reading is our ரிப்பன் ma'am special thanks to her, because she has literally helped a number of students like me. And I was attending and used to see her videos online. And the grammar rules also plays important role. Content also plays very crucial role, because if we grab the content out of the reading passage, it will be a far easy for everyone to solve the blank in a very short span of time.
That's right.
And rules are must. Need to revise, do practice of reading daily, reorders, blanks, reading and writing blanks, reading blanks.
Correct.
So be consistent with the reading. Definitely people can get 90 in reading from our classes of ரிப்பன் ma'am and whole LA team.
That's 100% correct. Consistency is the key in reading, because if you practice 2 days, you don't practice 2 days, you will forget everything.
Correct.
You need to make sure you attend the special reading classes. A lot of students do ignore them. They don't want to waste time. They don't want to put in effort. They don't feel like sitting over there for 2 hours. But those 2 hours, if you spend 2 hours for 2 weeks, 100% your reading is going up. Because reading, we don't have the shortcuts. I can't give you the templates. Reading is something you need to understand, and you all need to make sure you attend the reading special sessions. Any final tips for students out there planning to go for the exam? What are the do's, what are the don'ts, what they should do and what they should stop worrying about?
First and foremost is be positive. Always be positive with your approach, and do with your dedication. And always remember, continue do the reading, listening, every blanks, repeat sentences, remain continue with all these. And for don'ts, I will say never lose the hope, remain always positive, never stress out in the exam. And one more most important thing is manage the time properly in the exam. This also plays a very important role. And I would like to thank whole team, because every one of you, including you especially, helped me a lot throughout my journey, and it wouldn't be possible without any of you. So I would like to thank whole academy.
I really appreciate that, but I'll share one thing. If he has got the score, it is just because of his consistency. If you wouldn't be here, no one could have helped you, right? You were here every single day, you were asking your doubts, and he used to even stay till 9:30, 9:40, I remember. And that is something which will get you your desired score as well. If you really need your score, you need to make sure you're consistent, you put in the hard work, and trust your tutors, trust the process. And even if you miss by 1 point or you miss by 10 points, don't stress, don't give up, and be very positive in the test. Another thing, make sure if you mess up something in the test, don't worry about it, just focus on what is left and you are going to crack it. Congratulations once again.
Thank you very much.
25 points.
Thank
Very
you.
well done.
Thank you.
He's a very special guy. He has really, cooperated whenever we used to be late and all, and I really appreciate that. All the very best, Aman.
Thank you.
That's it from this video, guys. If you're watching this, if you'll ever watch this, remember this thing: if he has done it, He has scored a perfect 90. If I've scored a perfect 90, you can do it as well. You need to follow the process. You need to know what PT is, what PT is expecting you to do, and how to tackle all the difficult things in PT. That's it. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.